Today we will be demonstrating how to replace the mirror head cover on the Clearview Next Gen towing mirrors. Tools required are a flat screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now with your two fingers you will need to lower the glass into its furthest position. With a flat head screwdriver, gently pry the top two tags to release the actuator. Ensuring you are being mindful of any wiring beneath the glass, please watch the overview for more information. Remove the 3 screws from the top section of the mirror frame, followed by the one behind the lower glass. Using a flat screwdriver, gently prise the mirror head cover off. Once that is removed, you can now secure the 4 screws previously removed back into their original position. Now you will need to refit your upper glass with a foam press. Now you will need to locate your mirror head cover and align it to the mirror head. Secure it into position with a foam press. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Clearview towing mirrors.